Hi and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a product compare feature in your WooCommerce store using the Product Compare plugin. The ThemeHunk Product Compare plugin helps your customers compare products directly from the shop and product pages. It's fully responsive, user-friendly, and integrates seamlessly with WooCommerce. Here are the key features you'll see in this video. Fast product comparison table. Easy compare button on product listings. Clean and responsive table layout for all devices. Customizable fields like price, title, rating, SKU, and more. Shortcode support and advanced settings for customization. The product compare functionality is used only for comparing products such as mobile phones, clothing items, or grocery products to help customers evaluate differences before making a purchase. This is our site before the comparison functionality. There is no compare button. Now log into your WordPress dashboard to install the Product Compare plugin. Go to Plugins and click on Add Plugin. Go to the search bar and search for Product Compare. Install and activate the plugin. Once activated, you'll see a new menu item called ThemeHunk in your dashboard. Let's see how it works on your store. The Compare button has automatically come to your site. Users can now compare products in a clean, side-by-side table. If you upgrade to the Pro version, you'll unlock premium features such as field ordering, custom shortcodes, table styling options, and compare settings for single product pages. To upgrade the plugin, buy the plugin from the ThemeHunk website and install it into your dashboard. You can go to ThemeHunk and then Product Compare in your WordPress dashboard, where you can manage the plugin's settings and functionality. The basic settings allow you to manage the core behavior of the Product Compare feature on your WooCommerce store. From here, you can control how the compare option functions and how it appears to customers, ensuring the comparison experience fits well with your store's design and user flow. The advanced settings focus on how the comparison table is displayed to customers. Users can also display custom product attributes in the comparison table, allowing them to compare additional specifications and details based on their store's specific product requirements. It helps you structure the table in a way that makes product differences easier to understand, keeps related products grouped together, and ensures important product details are clearly visible for better comparison. This section allows you to manage how the product comparison appears on single product pages. It helps you control if you want to exclude any product to show the compare button. The shortcode generator allows you to create shortcodes for the product compare feature, making it easy to display compare buttons or comparison lists anywhere on your website, without relying on default layouts. This section is designed for advanced customization, allowing developers to add custom product fields to the comparison table using hooks. It provides flexibility to include additional product data beyond the default fields, making the comparison more tailored to specific store requirements. The style helps you to customize the visual appearance and behavior of the compare bar and comparison pop-up. It helps you match the compare interface with your website's design by controlling colors, text, animations, and overall layout. This section provides helpful resources and support options, allowing you to access documentation, contact the support team when needed, share the plugin with others, and leave feedback to help improve the product. After setting up the store, the product comparison feature presents a professional and easy-to-read comparison table on the front end. Customers can quickly compare products side by side, clearly see key differences, and make confident buying decisions, which helps improve user experience and increases the chances of conversion. That's it for this video. You've learned how to add a product compare feature to your WooCommerce site. For advanced customization, premium features, and a better overall customer experience, you can upgrade to the Pro version of the plugin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching.